Hello, crafty peeps. It's Tracy here. I have another delivery today. I treated myself to an order from Gina K Designs when she announced her big sale the Monday before Thanksgiving. So my package just came in today, all the way from Wisconsin, and figured we'd open it together. So let's see what we have. Love how securely everything is in here. Awesome. Okay. So there was quite a rush when Gina announced her sale, and I really wanted the new cranberry inks because my ink pads are 15 or 20 years old. I've had them since the early 2000s when I started card making. I love these colors. I wanted to try some of her inks, and I wasn't fast enough to get the large pads. So I got the cubes to test out her ink formula and the colors. I got the new cranberries, light, medium, dark. I love that she packaged them together as a set. Great for blending. And then I also got the spruce, and these were available in the larger pads. So I've got light, medium, and dark spruce. I do not have any inks this color. And then I also grabbed a couple re-inkers that were in stock. This, let's see, medium and light. I guess the dark was out of stock. And then what else do we have? I got a pack of the small magnetic boards, 4x6. These are a little smaller than I thought they would be, but that's my fault because I didn't actually get a ruler out and measure. But these will be great for some of the sets that I have. And they were pretty reasonably priced, especially with the coupon. This was the incentive that I chose, floral framework. I thought it would work really well for different occasions. I did really like the snowman that she had, but I have so many snowmen. Okay, I got the layered mistletoe stencil set, and I believe, yeah, die set. I am very excited about this one. Gina has been creating some beautiful things, and I saw Megan Andrews created something with it like a week or so ago. Very excited to have the stencil set with the die to cut it out, so that'll be fun. Got a pack of Masking Magic sheets, the full sheets. I thought these would be great for masking some detailed images, since I have some masking tape. I couldn't resist this poinsettia layering stencil. This is perfect poinsettia layering stencil. Gina used it on a card. I want to say it was like the day that she announced the sale, that Monday. And yeah, it was a total impulse buy, but I like the size, and maybe it will get me making some more 5x7s. And last, ooh, sorry, this is very sticky bubble wrap. Some of the large magnetic storage boards to go with my storage solution for some of the sets I have that have a lot of dies. So that's what I got. Some storage, some inks, and some other goodies. And I'm sure you will be seeing me creating with all of this very soon. All right, happy crafting.